Say goodbye to coffee cans, pickle jars, and more. Organizing consumables like nails, screws, dowels, biscuits, dominoes, and small tools has never been lacking for half-baked ideas. Let's see. Baby food jars, coffee cans, and fishing tackle boxes come to mind. Shop-made nail or screw totes provide a more thoughtful approach, but offer limited utility. Woodpeckers presents the Calavera Toolworks 5-pound utility bag system. This modular system solves all your storage and organization problems. The system features a modular array of rugged gear bags with numerous integrated options for attachment to your shop wall, workbench, or even to yourself. These features eliminate waste and clear up valuable space on your workbench and in your shop. The secret to the Calavera system is a modular design that puts only the items you need at the moment right at your fingertips. Let's face it, when you're assembling a project, you don't need a screw box with 10 different size screws cluttering your bench top. Just grab the Calavera 5-pound bag with the screw, nail, dowel, or domino needed for the task at hand. And when you're done, just pull the drawstring to secure your goods until the next time they're needed. But wait, don't set the bag on your bench top, wasting precious space. Instead, hang it on the free, unused real estate at the side of your bench using Calavera System storage elements. Once again, Calavera offers several options. If you use a Festool multifunction table, MFT, simply slide a portable multi-purpose bar into the table edge. This bar also holds small clamps and, importantly, the gear hitch. Use the gear hitch to quickly and easily hang and remove 5-pound bags using the supplied carabiners that come attached to your bags. To hang from your workbench or shop wall, just mount the base bracket, and the multi-purpose bar now has a new home. These bags are made using a ballistic nylon bottom material with a heavy-duty diamond ripstop upper portion. They have a handy drawstring closure and hold up to 5 pounds of nails or screws, or 2.25 quarts of whatever else you need. Each bag has a color-coded webbed hanging strap so you can quickly identify the bag's contents. Furthermore, a protected label pocket is sewn to the outside to further aid identification. Also sewn on the side is a piece of thick leather that both reinforces the metal belt clip and serves as the slotted belt keeper. And for Festool fans, 6 fully loaded 5-pound utility bags fit neatly into a Festool sustainer or Systool box. Your best buy is a Calavera 5-pound utility bag system deluxe kit, available exclusively from Woodpeckers for a limited time. The deluxe kit includes 6 color-coded Calavera 5-pound bags with carabiners, the hanging system including base bracket, multi-purpose bar, and gear hitch, and as a limited-time bonus for deluxe kit buyers, you'll receive an additional base bracket free of charge. Alternatively, order the starter kit, including 2 Calavera 5-pound bags with carabiners plus storage elements. The Calavera 5-pound utility bag system is just one of the many new tool offerings available from us at Woodpeckers. To learn more about this great new product or to see our full range of tools, check out woodpeck.com.
The Craig inline clamp makes it easy to hold workpieces of all shapes and sizes without the clamp getting in the way. The inline clamp does this with a low-profile design that applies pressure from the side rather than from overhead, so the clamp stays out of the way as you work. The inline clamp stays in place with a peg that fits into any 3/4 inch diameter hole. That makes the clamp a perfect companion to the Craig Mobile Project Center and allows you to get more from any workbench that's equipped with 3/4 inch bench dog holes. Or you can drill 3/4 inch holes in any work surface to add the convenience of Craig inline clamping. Using the inline clamp is easy. Simply turn the contoured easy-to-grip dial to move the pushrod and press the clamp shoe against your workpiece. That makes it easy to dial in the clamping pressure you need, up to 250 pounds of clamping force. The low-profile clamp shoe is just 1/2 inch thick, so it stays out of the way while you work. The clamp shoe design holds tight against workpieces of all shapes and sizes, including corners and round edges. And because you can rotate the inline clamp, it's easy to direct that clamping pressure in whatever direction you need. With the Craig inline clamp, you get the helping hand you need, when you need it, with the versatility you want for a wide variety of tasks. Visit us online at craigtool.com to learn more about the Craig inline clamp, as well as our other Craig clamping solutions that help you create every project with confidence.
My name is Danny Tawney and I work for Manor Bros Home Improvement. I've been in this business for coming up on 18 years. There is no normal in remodeling. I mean, every day you're doing something different. My first impression of the 20-volt circ saw was that it actually has a 7¼ inch blade. I feel completely comfortable doing any large project without having to use a cord because you're confident that the battery will last. The runtime is probably the most impressive thing because it does last a really long time, and not just for the amount of trigger pulls, but when you're doing long rip cuts, you know it's going to go through. The brake on it is awesome. That's the big one for me. And I am currently in the 20-volt system right now. Having this is perfect. I used the DeWalt table saw, I used the miter box, all of their drills, their reciprocating saw, their oscillating saw. Oh, this is a 10 out of 10. I feel comfortable with the saw on any job that I'm doing.
The Ketter folding work table is the perfect mix of on-the-job versatility. It opens and closes in seconds and is compact enough to store almost anywhere. Tough enough for a pro, simple enough for a DIYer. They're available now at HomeDepot.com, Amazon.com, and Sam's Club.